Ruby provides a whole set of I/O-related methods implemented in the kernel module. All the I/O methods are derived from the class I/O. The class I/O provides all the basic methods, such as read, write, gets, puts, readline, get, and printf. This chapter will cover all the basic I/O functions available in Ruby. The put statement instructs the program to display the value stored in the variable. This will add a new line at the end of each line it writes. The above code will produce the following result. The get statement can be used to take any input from standard screen called stnai from the console. The output of the above code. Unlike the put statement, which outputs the entire string onto the screen, the put statement can be used to output one character at a time. The output of the above code. The print statement is similar to the put statement. The only difference is that the put statement goes to the next line after printing the contents. Whereas with the print statement the cursor is positioned on the same line. The above code will produce the following result. Until now, you have been reading and writing to the standard input and output. Now, we will see how to play with actual data files. So let's dig into it. You can create a file object using file.new method for reading, writing, or both, according to the mode string. Finally, you can use file.close method to close that file. You can use file.open method to create a new file object and assign that file object to a file. However, there is one difference between file.open and file.new methods. The file.open method can be associated with a block, whereas you cannot do the same using the file.new method. The method sysread is used to read the contents of a file. You can open the file in any of the modes when using the method sysread. In our above example, this statement will output the first 20 characters of the file. The file pointer will now be placed at the 21st character in the file. You can use the method syswrite to write the contents into a file. You need to open the file in write mode when using the method syswrite. This code statement will write appdef into the file. The class file is a subclass of the class I/O. The class I/O also has some methods, which can be used to manipulate files. One of the I/O class methods is io.readlines. This method returns the contents of the file line by line. You can rename and delete files programmatically with Ruby with the rename and delete methods. Following is the example to rename an existing file test1.txt. Following is the example to delete an existing file test2.txt.